Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug the Apple TV into power and switch the TV to the correct HDMI input so you can see menus. Make sure you have the old Apple remote in hand and a charged iPhone or alternate remote nearby. This helps if pairing fails. Stand within roughly 3 meters and remove any objects between you and the front of the Apple TV. This ensures infrared or Bluetooth signals aren't blocked. Once done, you'll be ready to initiate the reset and repair sequence immediately. Now perform the actual reset. If you have the older aluminum or white remote, press and hold menu and left for about 6 seconds. This sends the unpair command. For the newer slim Siri-like remote, press menu and volume down for 5 to 10 seconds until you see the on-screen unpaired message or status light flash. Keep holding steady so the device recognizes the command. Make sure you don't press extra buttons because that can interrupt the sequence. When you see the confirmation, release and move to pairing. Finally, repair the remote. Point it at the Apple TV and press the pairing combo, menu plus right or the center/select button until you see a paired confirmation. If pairing doesn't work, restart the Apple TV by unplugging power for 10 seconds, plug it back in, and try the reset and pairing steps again. Make sure batteries are fresh or the remote is charged. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing pairs, use the iPhone remote in Control Center to control and check settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.